Good morning, friends and fellow Disney fans. Today I am leaving Coronado and heading over to Universal for a day of site tours, checking out the different resorts, and maybe even some park time and good food. Hi guys, my name is Jamie. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney and Universal vacations. If you saw my vlog yesterday, our agency has come to Coronado. We've hung out, we've seen some site tours, tried out the new Disney Genie Plus, and got to stay at that beautiful resort. We are leaving now Coronado and we are going to be heading over to our Universal part of our vacation and kind of familiarization trip. So I'm super excited to check out the different resorts. We are staying at Endless Summer, so that's going to be awesome. So come along and watch. Hey, it's Jamie and Alexa. We are here at Cabana Bay checking out the one-bedroom family suites. Super excited. We just checked out Cabana Bay. They have 1 and 2 bedroom family suites, and they also have standard rooms, and they are just a 5-minute walk right to Portofino Bay. So great location, great place to hang out in the summer with a great pool, lazy river. Aw, look at all the little froggies. Hey guys, we made it to Loews Royal Pacific. This is one of the premier resorts where you can get free express passes at it, and this is one of kind of the entry level one. So if you are looking for express passes and maybe a lower cost, this is a great hotel. Everything's been beautifully renovated in it, and it's very just fresh and updated now. So let's check out the rooms and the lobby and all that. we just got done with Royal Pacific, and now we are at one of the other premier resorts called Portofino. And it is beautiful. It's kind of like an Italian Renaissance theme, a little bit closer to the parks than Royal Pacific. And this one also gives free express passes. So this one's very nice to stay at too. So that was the deluxe queen room that we just saw. Absolutely gorgeous. The difference between a deluxe queen room and just a standard queen room is that you're going to get more square footage. So a little bit more space. If you have a family of 5, it's really nice because then you can have tons of room to fit that roll in. And let's look at the pool. Okay, we just got done with Portofino, and now we are about to go to Loews Sapphire Falls. This is one of their premier resorts, but it is not one that includes express passes. It is one of my favorites. It's just a gorgeous resort and great location, so let's check it out. Here's all the hard at work, click the mouse agents. We are now at our final stop. We are at Aventura Hotel. It is Universal's, like one of their newest ones other than Endless Summer. And this one kind of has a modern, clean feel. Really good food in the kind of quick service location called the Urban Pantry. And yeah, let's check out the rooms, the pool, and the resort. We are at the top of Aventura Hotel, which is Bistro 17. We're gonna get some appies, some people are gonna enjoy some drinks. And this bar is really cool because it's on the very top of Aventura Tower. And so you can get amazing views all around Orlando. There's glass walls going from floor to ceiling. And so you can just walk around and really enjoy the view. So let me show you. So I want to thank you guys for watching our awesome day at Universal Resorts. Make sure to take a moment to like and subscribe to this video. Maybe leave a little comment below letting me know which is your favorite of the resorts we saw today. And if you are interested in a Universal vacation, Click the Mouse is actually a preferred travel agent for Universal vacations. So make sure to contact me. I can help you plan and give you all the information that you need to know. My email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Bye!